Ever thought a powerful, reliable blender could fit your budget? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best blenders under $100 that make smoothies, sauces, and icy drinks effortless. Welcome to the channel. Stay tuned, and grab your favorite blender easily through the links in the description below. At number 5 is Nutribullet 24 ounce. Most people assume a budget blender can't deliver smooth, lump-free results, but the Nutribullet 24 ounce proves otherwise. Among the top 5 best blenders under $100, it combines compact design with surprisingly powerful blades, crushing fruits, vegetables, and ice into silky textures in seconds. Many home cooks struggle with blenders that leave chunks, overheat, or require multiple rounds, especially for single-serve smoothies or quick shakes. Nutribullet solves this by offering an intuitive, one-touch operation and a durable 24-ounce jar that fits easily in small kitchens or busy mornings. Compared to others, it handles slightly more volume while staying portable and easy to clean. Its versatility extends beyond smoothies, perfect for protein shakes, sauces, or even baby food. While it's not designed for massive batches, the Nutribullet 24 ounce delivers reliable, consistent results for personal use, proving that you don't need to overspend to enjoy smooth, healthy, and satisfying blends every day. At number 4 is Hamilton Beach 14 ounce. Many people think powerful blending requires a large, expensive machine, but the Hamilton Beach 14 ounce flips that assumption. Listed among the top 5 best blenders under $100, it's a compact powerhouse that makes single-serve smoothies, protein shakes, and sauces effortless. The real struggle in small kitchens is finding a blender that delivers smooth, lump-free results without taking up counter space or requiring complicated controls. Hamilton Beach addresses this with a portable 14-ounce jar, sharp stainless steel blades, and one-touch blending that turns fruits, vegetables, and ice into silky textures in seconds. Compared to others, it's easier to store, quicker to clean, and perfect for personal servings. The main limitation is batch size. It's not ideal for family smoothies, but for anyone craving fast, smooth drinks or sauces, it hits the sweet spot between affordability, portability, and performance. Hamilton Beach 14 ounce proves that small can still be mighty. On number 3 is Chef Series. Many assume a budget blender can't handle frozen fruits or icy smoothies, but the Chef Series proves otherwise. Among the top 5 best blenders under $100, it delivers surprisingly smooth results for its size. The real frustration for home cooks is finding a compact blender that doesn't leave chunks, overheat, or require multiple rounds for single-serve drinks. Solves this with sharp stainless steel blades, a durable motor, and a 16-ounce jar perfect for personal smoothies, protein shakes, and sauces. Compared to others, it's lightweight, portable, and easy to clean, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or quick morning routines. The downside is batch size. It won't handle large servings, but for anyone seeking fast, smooth, and consistent blending without overspending, it shines. The Chef Series proves that affordability doesn't mean compromise. It transforms everyday blending into a simple, satisfying, and so. At number 2 is Elite Gourmet 16 ounce. Most people think a personal blender can't combine power, speed, and affordability, but the Elite Gourmet 16 ounce challenges that assumption. Among the top 5 best blenders under $100, it handles smoothies, protein shakes, and sauces with surprising efficiency. Many home cooks struggle with small blenders that leave chunks, struggle with ice, or overheat after repeated use. Elite Gourmet addresses this with sharp stainless steel blades, a reliable motor, and a 16-ounce jar that's perfect for single-serve drinks or meal prep. Compared to others, it offers slightly more volume without sacrificing portability, making it ideal for dorms, apartments, or busy mornings. Cleanup is quick, and the simple controls make it accessible for anyone, even beginners. While it's not designed for large family batches, it excels at everyday personal blending. The Elite Gourmet 16 ounce proves that even on a budget, you can enjoy smooth, consistent, and satisfying results every time. Now moving to the last one is YFIXQNSU 13 ounce. Many assume a compact blender can't deliver smooth, consistent results, but the YFIXQNSU 13 ounce defies that expectation. Among the top 5 best blenders under $100, it shines as a true personal blender designed for single-serve smoothies, protein shakes, and quick sauces. One common struggle is juggling size, portability, and performance. Larger blenders are powerful but bulky, while smaller ones often leave chunks or can't handle ice. The YFIXQNSU 13-ounce solves this with a sharp, durable blade system and a 13-ounce jar that fits easily in backpacks, kitchens with limited space, or busy morning routines. Compared to others, it sacrifices a bit of volume but gains unmatched portability and convenience. Cleanup is effortless, and it's simple. One-touch operation makes blending straightforward for anyone. While it's not for family-sized batches, the YFIXQNSU 13-ounce proves that affordability, compactness, and reliable performance can coexist, delivering smooth, satisfying blends anytime, anywhere. If you want a blender that balances power, capacity, and affordability, the Hamilton Beach 40-ounce is the top choice among the top 6 best blenders to chop ice. It effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and vegetables into smooth, consistent results. Unlike larger, bulkier options, it's easy to store, user-friendly, and quick to clean. Perfect for family smoothies, icy drinks, and everyday kitchen prep, it delivers reliable performance without unnecessary complexity or cost. A practical, versatile, and satisfying choice for daily use. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best blenders under $100. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.